Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of dal fry. First we have to wash tur dal thoroughly and soak in water for half an hour. Then discard the water, transfer dal to pressure cooker, add 3 cups of water and turmeric, close the lid and cook for 4 whistles in medium to high flame. Once cooked, mash dal well and keep it aside. Now heat a kadai and add oil, add cumin seeds, dry red chili, Asafoetida and curry leaves. Add onion and saute till it turns translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and saute till raw smell of ginger garlic disappears. Add tomato and green chili. Saute till tomato turns mushy. Add coriander powder and chili powder. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Now add cooked dal. Give a good mix. Add salt. Add water if the dal is too thick. Mix well and cook in low flame for 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Add garam masala, Kasoori methi and coriander leaves. Cook for another 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Top it up with ghee. Aromatic dal fry is ready to be served. Thank you for watching.